Hey guys, so this is a quick video on how to use a alternative AB film to create UV DTF stickers. And this is going to apply both for the EUFY and the OMTech as well as the Omni from XTOOL. Let me show you what I do. So I'm getting a lot of questions on using alternative methods for creating UV DTF stickers. And so this is a customer order of 70 stickers that I'm just going to show you my process of using a alternative method, cold lamination versus warm lamination. It could be faster for some, it may not be worth it for others, but I just want to show you what we're doing. So this is an actual lamination or a UV DTF print. And what I've done here is I'm using some film. It's known as A and B film that I have printed on. So you can see these are the stickers, and the material here is very sticky where my fingers are, but I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be cutting it off. So you can see right here how my finger stuck to it, but just showing you this is one part of the film. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the transfer sheet that is going to be cold that I'm using. That just, for me, it's simpler, it's faster, and it's cheaper. So this is going to be really simple. All I'm going to do is, so this is the other transfer sheet. This is the cold transfer sheet. I'm going to make sure that there's nothing here that I have to worry about. And I'm just going to grab it like this, and I'm going to align it to the sheet. And you'll notice why I think that this is a really fast method. I'm going to try to get it as straight as I can, right? And then as I put it down, I'm going to start just getting this bottom portion kind of pressed down. So you notice, not using a squeegee or anything. I call this kind of like the poor man's method. I don't really care if it's straight or not because I'm going to trim off any of the excess that's there, right? And then this piece right here, I want to make sure that I get this done well, right? And now that's all I'm doing now. You'll see how this comes out now. And what I'll do is I'll flip it over, I'll cut off the excess, and you'll see what the final product looks like. All right, so this is the final product. I just trimmed off the edges, and you can see what the actual process looks like. You can see it's all done. That just took, I don't know how many minutes, but it was like super fast. Hopefully this helps you understand this process. This will work with the Omni, this will work with the Spectra, this works obviously with the EUFY, it just works with any UV printer, just using this method. So guys, that wraps up this quick tip. See you in the next video.